What up, everyone? Having me. Last one out from here. Cold red cherry. Just like any other cold red cherries. You can get the smell of the red cherry up in here, like you usually can. Yeah, really decent. This one I would have to, rate about a 8. But if you got this like box of Mountain Dew where you guys are at, pick this up at Walmart because that's where I got it. I mean, they probably might got it at Meijer maybe, or maybe Target or something. But yeah, pick this up at Walmart though. Till the next videos. See ya.